Hi guys, so this is Friday night snow in Toronto. It's the 9th of February and there's a lot of snow going on outside. I'm in my house, so I don't have to go outside. I just want to stay inside and keep myself warm. So if you can look, you can see all the snow, you can see all the vehicle passing on the road. So this is how it look right now. You just have to be careful when you're going outside. So it's not just New York have snow. Canada do have a lot of snow sometimes. So this is it. So guys, I just want to show you how it look right now on the 9th of February in Canada with all this snow coming. So I want to say keep warm, keep safe, and keep beautiful as always, and I will talk to you guys soon.